Armytrix exhaust is fucking... Oh, bro.
In all its glory, mate.
Mad. Oh my god. So what do these do?
Turn on and off the valves on the back. The valves are, yeah.
So when I turn it off, it's quiet?
Yeah. Well, quieter.
What's this?
That plugs into your OBD port and allows you to control it from your phone.
I can actually control my exhaust sound through my fucking phone. So the Armytrix exhaust is installed. Right now I'm going to show you just how it sounds real quick. Watch this. Oh, that's when you know it. That's when you know it's official. So right now are the valves on auto? Yeah.
They're on auto. Yes.
Okay.
Quiet, yeah.
Yeah.
So now press on.
This is my little control here, yeah. And right then that was on auto. Now I want to turn them off.
They'll be quiet.
That's nice how that I got. Okay.
Quiet noise, isn't it?
And now guys, I want to turn it on. I felt it. Jesus, that's fucking sick. Okay, that's fucked. But yo, the Armytrix exhaust is now fucking installed and it's sounding sick. I'm gassed. I'm gonna go to a little edit now and I'm gonna go and show you guys some real sounding clips of it, some tunnel bangs and some other stuff, and I'm also gonna try and get some drone footage as well. I can't even get my words out. Let's go.
Nah.
I'm gonna do launch control real quick and then some blow-bys and some whatever they call them thingy.
Yeah.
Drone footage on there.